Hello team. So this is a SaaS-based hospital management solution. Here you can check dashboard like how much hospital register, active, inactive, license expired data. Then you can here you can check income expense. Okay, here you can check like February sales, subscription and all. You can manage all the things. Then we have a super admin. So here you can create multiple super admin as well. You can assign them permission, more permissions you want to assign. With those permissions, they can easily manage your solutions. Then we have all hospital data. So here you can check hospital title, email, address and other details. You can easily renew. So let me renew that premium monthly, and then next due date we can select and cash and we can complete it. So see, we renew that package. Now let me change the package as well. See, so we renew to plan, so we can change, we can edit, we can delete, we can disable it as well if I want, or here we can register new hospital as well. I will show you hospital login as well to you. Here you can check like how we can like title, email. Here you can select packages. Okay, see in the packages what permission we are providing. We can manage our access as well, like in our nurse. See, in the new package, we disable some things. For premium, we enable all the features, so they will get all types of features. Then, this type of thing here you can set up front-end website link because of what name you type. Like I type test, so if user click on this URL, then they will get that hospital details like that. So here you can check package duration and all. You can click. Then we have a packages. So how much package we have created, that data will come here. You can edit, delete, or you can make multiple packages. Then registration from website, so that data will come here. You can check if you enable it or active, then it will be active. Then we have a reports, active hospital reports. You can check it here. Inactive license, register patients and all, you can check it here. Then we have some settings. So currently we disable SSL, that's why it's coming, that is not an issue. Okay, this is the front end. Okay, so here you can check here we has already set up some content, our services and all. You can set up your own services, what service you are running, so you can set up. Okay, here you can register as a hospital, or they can buy any package from you and then they will use your solutions. Here you like contact with us. Here some pages are there where you can set up your own content. Here you can register and all. It is the complete front end which I already show you. I will show you the hospital login as well. Now first let me show you these things. Okay. Then we have some website settings. In a general setting you can update like address, emergency contact, hospital email, currency. Then we have some text, so here you can update your text. Social setting, here you can set up your social pages. Section 1, section 2, these are some pages or some content which we are using on front end. You can set up your own content. Okay, then we have a slider, so here you can set up your own sliders. Then we have a services, so which types of service we are running, you can set up your own service here. Then we have an email. So let me show you some settings. So here we are already using domain email. You just need to add the like admin email data here, then it will be work for you. You can send email, click on a new, then you can send to all hospitals, single hospital. So here you need to select the template, subject, or with according to the template, message will type here automatically. Then add template, template data will come here. Then send message, you can check contact us email, you can check. Then we have some general settings, so here you can set up your currency and all. Then we have Google reCAPTCHA, so here you can set up your Google reCAPTCHA key. We are using this payment gateway, Stripe, PayPal, Paystack, PayUmoney. So which gateway you want to use, you just need to set up your key, then it will be work for you. Then we have a languages, so here you can set up your multiple languages. Okay, now let me show you a hospital login. So let me log out once. Now I will log in as a hospital. So just allow me 1 second. This is the email which we are using, and this is the password. Now I will log in as a hospital. Here we can check how much doctor patient appointment we have, prescription, case history, lab test, document and other things. Here you can check February. Here you can check income, expense, appointment, monthly and all. You can check it here. Then you can set up your own department. In means like we have a different types of departments, so you can set up your department. Then we have a list of doctor. That data you can check it here. You can create multiple doctor as well. You can allow them email and password. So we email a password, they can easily log in. Here treatment history. Then we have a doctor visit. So here you can add that data. Then all types of patient data will come here. You can check info, history. You can check the payment as well. You can create a new invoice. You can check the due amount and all. You can make multiple invoice and deposits. All things are working here. Okay, here you can check history, you can delete, you can check info, you can edit, you can create multiple patients as well. You just need to add some data, or you can allow them to log in as well. Here you can check cash manager, documents you can check. Then we have a schedule. So here you can check the all schedule. You can schedule more. Here, select the doctor, week, start, end time, and appointment duration. So here we can set up schedule. Then we have holiday. So here you can set up holiday. Then we have appointments, so all appointment data will come here. You can add multiple appointment as well. You just need to select patient ID, doctor, date, available slots, appointment status, remark and all. You can add. Then we have a add appointment, today's upcoming calendar request, that all data will come here. If any patient request for appointment, so in the request you can get that data. Then we have some HRs, so here you can set up your nurse, pharmacist, laboratoryist, accountant and receptionist. We already defined what permission I want to assign them, so we already defined our solutions. Here some financial activity, like if any payment was there, then you can select patient, therefore by doctor, as we can search what item done, and then we can complete the invoicing. Then check payment, draft payment due and all. You can manage all types of payment related details. Then we have prescription details, lab test we have. So here you can check all types of lab tests. You can filterize as well. Here you can check lab report, report delivery. You can check here. You can make template, what template you are using in lab report, template name, category and template. You can set up your own template. Okay, then we have a barcode, then we have a badge. So all admission which are done, that data will come here. You can set up new admission as well. Like if patients come for new, then admission time, diagnosis and hospitalization, Zoom number, doctor and all, bed ID we can set up here. So that patient will add in this bed. Then add admission, bed list we have, add bed category, patient service, which service we are running. So here you can set up your services as well. Then we have a pharmacy. This is a pharmacy dashboard. This is a separate dashboard which give you information related to the pharmacy, like total sale, expense, medicine, staff and all. Here you can check the sales, you can case sales, expense category. Then here you can check the reports. Then we have a medicine list. So here you can add medicines. Here medicine category. Here you like medicine stock alert, which you can check it here. Then we have a donor. Here you can check the donor list. You can add donor as well. For donor, here you can add donor, blood bank. Then we have a file manager. Then we have a reports. So here you can check report, financial report and all report. Then we have some notice. So all notice data will come here. You can add notice for doctor, patient or someone. Then we have an email. So here you can set up your email. Like Gmail we can use, Yahoo Mail we can use, or Yoho Mail. So Yoho Mail we can use here for an email. Here you can manage SMS. So we are using ClickTail Mercy 91 Twilio for SMS. Then we have a payroll. Payroll you can manage here. Here you can generate your salary. So it will be generated according to which details we have filled in a payroll for, like for doctor, for nurse or for someone like that. Okay. Then we have attendance. So here you can check attendance, staff, and you can manage that. Select the staff, and then we can apply. Then the data will come. Like date wise we can check data. Then we have attendance reports. We can manage leave, chat, websites we have which we can manage, like we just said, website settings and all. So this is the URL. See, so this is the hospitals, means whenever hospital register from you, so they will get their own URL. With those URL they can easily manage appointment and all services. Yes, they can change the content, the slider, gallery, they can manage what they want. Then we have some system settings, so they can change the currency and all, default discount and all. Then we have a payment gateway. These payment gateway we are using, so they can use for a client payment or student, sorry, patient payment. Then language, bulk import, logs, you can check it here, or here you can check your subscription data. So I already show you the complete demo. So if you have doubts, Karina, you can contact with us. Thank you.